The sky became overcast and the clouds scudded by like huge smoky cotton balls. Thunder roared like lions and started a shower of heavy rainfall from the sky. The drops of rain looked like tiny crystals. The pleasantly cold water of the pattering raindrops quenched the thirst of people. Rains always reminds me to slow down. Hello, my awesome people. Hope you all are doing good and safe wherever you are. Everybody wants happiness. Nobody wants pain. But you can't have a rainbow without a little rain. Monsoon is my favorite season of all. Given the vast diversity and geography of India, we can broadly say that there are three climates in India: winter, summer, and monsoon. Accordingly, each zone in India have different intensity of these climates. Like west have highest summer, while eastern India have highest rains. The monsoons are finally here and the beautiful rains are being welcomed with open hearts. Since ages in India, monsoon is looked upon as the month of creativity and new beginnings. Unlike the West that considers rain gloomy and dull, Indians with their warmer summers and agrarian society look forward and worship it. In some parts, they also marry frogs as a grand gesture to appease the rain god. You can call this crazy or stupid or funny, but I say some people feel the rain while others just get wet. Being soaked alone is a cold experience. Try being soaked with your best friend or your partner. That is an adventure experience. Making a trip during rains has its own fun. Actually, you get to do nothing. You get to stay indoors for the maximum time, eat and relax, read your favorite book, watch your favorite movie. Are not this the privilege to have during vacation from busy life? I wish to make a trip to Cherrapunji sometime. That's in my bucket list. It's called the wettest place on earth. There's nothing like reading a book on a rainy day, sipping a hot cup of coffee. Oh, let me tell you, heavy rains always reminds me of the day I met my husband for the first time. The rain was the background score to our love. It always rained when we met. This is our first monsoon at our new apartment. It's very special, the view and the feelings. Today, when I stand at my window, I can hear all the monsoon winds, the thunder of the clouds, flurry of rain pattering against my window, cicadas buzzing, and also a tranquil silence. It seems as if the nature is inviting me to become a part of them. I really can't resist myself from going out in the balcony and getting drenched in the rain. The cool breeze on my face and the smile on my lips reminds me about the hardship that we have been through in making our concept of dream home come true. The eyes are moist, but I cannot make out if it's the rain or tears that have made my cheeks wet. For me, the rains not only give us an external good bath, but I feel it also purifies us from within. Even when I grow older, I wish that I will relish rains the same way. We have so much of plans for our life, lots of goals to achieve. But the rainy day reminds us to take a pause and enjoy the present and the company of love. It reminds us that it is there to wash away all the dirt and pains from yesterday. You are ready to make new start and new memory from tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If at all you want to support me, then please subscribe to my channel and share this video. I promise to come back with a better video very soon. Till then, stay safe, get vaccinated, and keep checking on your loved ones.